The most important thing you have to do in your business, your organization, or your team is to make high quality decisions. But how do you do that? The quality of your decisions is determined by the kinds of conversations that you focus on or you prioritize. And most of us focus on what's urgent and immediately in front of us. I want you to flip that script and start to think about what are the conversations that get us to where we want to be in 5, 10, 15 years from now. What you have to do, you have to extend the timeline on which you plan, think, and act. Otherwise, you end up planning and thinking and acting on what's directly in front of you. You end up being driven by a short term. So if your conversations are driven by a short term, you're prioritizing what's urgent but not necessarily important. So to figure out how do you prioritize conversations, extend the timeline and think about where do you want to be 5, 10 years from now and bring that closer in. Because the more you plan, think, and act in alignment with the desired future you wish to achieve, the more likely you are to achieve success.